Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin in Binance for long-term. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account, which is a straightforward process. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using a bank transfer or a credit card. For long-term success, consider using a strategy like dollar-cost averaging to mitigate market volatility. This approach helps you build your portfolio steadily over time, reducing risk and maximizing potential gains. Next, it's crucial to research which cryptocurrencies align with your long-term goals. Look for projects with solid fundamentals, clear use cases, and a dedicated development team. Don't just follow trends, understand the technology and community behind each coin. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in several different assets can also help reduce overall risk. This thoughtful selection process is key to building a resilient long-term investment. Once you've chosen your coins, head over to the spot trading section on Binance. Here, you can place a buy order. For long-term investing, using limit orders is often recommended, as it allows you to specify the exact price you want to pay. Always double-check all the transaction details, including the amount and price, before confirming your purchase. This careful approach ensures you acquire your assets at a favorable entry point. Finally, securing your long-term investments is paramount. After purchasing, consider transferring your coins from Binance to a hardware wallet for enhanced security. This protects your assets from potential exchange hacks. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account and any other platforms you use. Regularly review your security practices and investment strategy to adapt to market changes and maintain peace of mind. Your diligence here is vital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.